How to invite friends in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your application on Roblox. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well, so that you have a smooth process of inviting friends on Roblox as well. So let's wait for a few more seconds. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So let's check on the connection, and after you check on the connection, what you can simply do in order to invite the friends is you can simply tap on any of the games over here. So let me select any of the games over here, and what you can see is this icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So this is the option where you can get the option of invite friends. So simply you can tap on invite friends, and here you can see all of your friends. So just tap on invite, and there you go, you have invited friends in Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.